people. As you can see, I am smiling, and somebody will be wondering, why am I smiling? And why is my hands at my back? Today, I have captured something that have dealt with us for a very long time. And this morning, I was able to capture it because it was given to me in my hands, by my hands, under my hands, and into my hands. Coronavirus. For those of you who are or who will be asking me to give you this, give you that, be afraid of me, otherwise, at this time, this corona has killed so many people. I mean, few months back, everybody was afraid. Everybody were in fear. Everybody were living in fear. We woke up, we sleep with one eye and we wake up with two eyes. But today, corona is like a forgotten issue. I am into NSAS and killing of youths. But today, all of them that killed our youth, coronavirus, your family, one after the other. As many of you that have killed today, corona is going to kill you and your family so that you will test the pain of losing your loved ones. Stop killing our youth. Let us live with one voice, one mind, and stand as a nation. Because when you discriminate, then you germinate. When you germinate, but when you don't discriminate, you stand with one voice. You see, things will continue to work for good for those who fear the Lord. Because they have Him, nothing like this will come near your dwelling. But because you have conspired, ndị na-enweghị ihe ha na-ego eluigwe na elu ụwa ga-ewere korona ụtamgbe n'ọba akụkị ịbịa na famili gị ote akaba ya iwu onye ọbụla na-echere anyị echiche ọjọọ lekwe korona virus. Onye ọbụla sị na ndị youth anyị agaghị enweta ihe ruru anyị aka lekwe korona virus. We don't even want to beg you to accept it. Whether you accept it or not, it's coming to locate you now. Now receive it. All the bad people in Nigeria, receive coronavirus. All the bad people, receive it now. Receive it now. Receive it now. Woo!